Hello everyone, my name is Budaya from Luxurypart, Thailand. Today I'm gonna show you one of the favorite kits for MRG Spider. Let's check it out. Luxurypart MonocraftX kit has 8 pieces in detail: 1 front bumper, 2 front side fender, 2 side skirt, 2 rear side fender, and the last one is the rear bumper. Come on, see this. Look at the front bumper. Those pieces is a 5mm width. This is smooth feel. You can see the front bumper and the front side fender. This is very tight gaps. You can see this. Look at this. This is what I'm proud to present because the front hood, front side fender, and the door, you can see the natural bend here. Next is the front side fender and side skirt. You can see this is very tight gap. The gaps between doors and rear side fender. This is 5mm width. This is perfect. This is the rear side fender and rear hood. The gaps is 5mm width. This is nice. This is very fit tight. You can see the fitment between the rear hood and the rear bumper. This is 5mm width. This is fit perfect. This is the end part of the videos. I hope you guys enjoy my videos and my work. See you next clip video. Thank you.